Hello everyone, welcome back to SAP In Depth. I would like to thank you all for giving us a huge response. Without wasting any further time, we'll start with our next topic. Before that, please subscribe to YouTube channel and hit the bell icon to get the notification of upcoming and latest videos. So let's get started. Well, hello everyone. Today we are going to see how we can define company in SAP. For that, we need to follow this path, and that is SPRO, SAP reference IMG, enterprise structure, definition, financial accounting, define company. Or else you can directly type this T code OX15 in a command bar and hit enter. Okay, and where the data saved in SAP, and there is one table, and that table is T880. Okay, so first we are going to create the company General Motors in the SAP system. So first log into your system and go to the menu path. First I will show you how we can access that menu path. Okay, so first here we have to type SPRO. Now SPRO means SAP project reference object. Okay, now hit enter. Now go to SAP reference IMG. Now what is IMG? IMG stands for implementation guide. So just hit enter over here. Now go to enterprise structure, definition, financial accounting, and here you can find the node define company. Okay, so see why we have entered IMG, because we are going to do implementation, right? That's why the path is like that. I will repeat one more time. SPRO means SAP project reference object. It means you are working on a project, and that is SAP project. Okay, now hit enter. Now here you can see IMG. IMG stands for implementation guide. It means you wanted to do some implementation, right? So we are in implementation guide. Now first is enterprise structure, right? Without the enterprise structure we cannot do anything. So go to the enterprise structure, definition, financial accounting, and here you can see define company. So what is company? What is the definition of company and all? I have all discussed in a previous video. I will put that video link in the description. First, please go through that video so that you will get the clarification about what is company and all. Okay, now here you can see activity or execute button. Okay, so just click here, execute, and now you will see there are total 1821 entries. Okay, actually I'm using the practice server, that's why there are so much entries. Okay, in actual practice you will find only one or two entries. Okay, that is not an issue. Now here click new entries. Now you will find the company. Now here you can put alphanumeric data. Okay, let's say a 1 2 3. Okay, you can put up to 6 digits only. You can put numbers also, not a big deal. And you can put ABCD also, not a big issue. Okay, but up to only 6 digit. You cannot go with 7 digit or 8 digit. So who will provide you this information? This information will be provided by the project on which you are working. Okay, so let's say we are working for a General Motor to implement the SAP, right? So let's say General Motors have already provided me the code, and that is GMMOT. So just copy it and paste it over there. Okay, now what is the name? General Motors. Now what about the address? Now see, this is the address 100. Okay, 100 regional center. I will copy it here. PO box. This is the PO box. They don't follow the postal code. City is, I believe it is Detroit. Now, country and region. See how, if you don't know the code, how you can find? Just go to your search box and you will find various countries and regions. So, General Motors headquarter is in Detroit, USA. Okay, so you'll find USA in this list, and that is US. I believe it is US here. Okay, so double click language key. If you don't know the language key, just click here and you will find different languages over here. Okay, you can find Arabic, you can find Bulgarian, okay, Czech, Danish, German, Greek, Spanish, okay, French, Hindi, Korean, Dutch. Okay, so US uses English language, so we'll double click on English. And currency, obviously it is USD. If you don't know the currency, just currency code, so just click on search box and here you will find various different currencies. Okay, from that you need to select one currency, and that one is USD. Here, USD. Okay, now just hit enter and hit the save button. Now this is your transport request. So see, request, we need to first create our own request, right? So I will click own request. Okay, now data was saved. Now where you can find this, whether it is saved or not. Okay, just go back. Now see, you can find GEN, that is General Motors. Okay, so again go back, go back, go back. Now put T code SE16N and hit enter. Now put the table. Now what is the table? Now see, T008, this table stores the company data, right? So we will see whether the company is created or not. General Motor, enter and execute. Okay, fine. All data is available over here. Let's say company is General Motor and its name is General Motor. Country and region is US. Name to is General Motors. Language is English. Its address is 100 Regional Center. PO box, city, and currency. This all information is stored in that specific table. Okay, so this is how we can define company in SAP. That is all. Thank you. Well, on regular basis, I am going to upload PowerPoint presentation on LinkedIn, YouTube, Instagram, X or Twitter, and Reddit. Not only just PowerPoint presentation, but also I am going to upload important files just for your reference. If you have any concerns, please feel free to ask on any of the social media platform, and for sure I will get back to you. To get the notification of upcoming and latest videos, please subscribe to YouTube channel and hit the bell icon. Thank you very much for your time and have a great day ahead.
Disclaimer: educational use only. This video is designed for educational and informational purposes only. Copyright disclaimer. Under Section 107 of the Copyright Act 1976, allowance is made for fair use for purposes such as criticism, comment, news reporting, teaching, scholarship, and research. Fair use is a use permitted by copyright statute that might otherwise be infringing. Non-profit educational or personal use tips the balance in favor of fair use. Trademark disclaimer. This video may contain trademarks, logos, and service marks of third parties, including but not limited to SAP SE, Microsoft Corporation, Excel, Word, PowerPoint, ClickChamp, Google LLC, and OBS Project. These trademarks are the property of their respective owners. This channel is not affiliated with, endorsed by, sponsored by, or explicitly connected to SAP SE, Microsoft, or any other company mentioned. All software demonstrations are performed for educational instruction only. Copyright issues? If you are a copyright owner and have concerns about this video, please contact me directly at indepsap@gmail.com, and I will address the issue immediately.